everybody. We're gonna do one more song. Get a scarf, even a tissue will work. Here, I'll show you. Even a tissue will work. Maybe a sock. I don't know, anything you have lying around that can give us that little feeling of movement. I think I'm gonna use this tissue. I kind of like the way it moves. Here we go. So we're trying to find the beat, right?
I don't want to go slow, I go fast. I'm a rabbit.
So we're bouncing like the rabbit. Good.
Airplane and speed to the sky. I don't want to go slow, I go fast.
Fast. Could you go even faster? Get out all that crazy energy. Good. Hopping like a bunny. Okay, now
I don't want to go fast, I go slow.
we're slow like that turtle, remember? Think about moving nice and slow.
Join me as I crawl.
Ooh,
We can breathe, we can slow. We can talk about why we don't want to go fast, we go slow.
Find that slowness.
I don't want to go slow, I go
Now we're the
fast.
bunny again. Switch hands and jump, jump, jump. Good, bunnies. Even faster. Those bunnies are so fast. Good. Yes. Nice work, everybody. All right, what's happening to the music? What do you hear?
You don't want to go
Slow.
slow, you go fast. And you may find you're missing the world you go past.
Good, my friends. We're slowing down.
Crickets singing
Maybe even a slow
around,
circle.
on the ground. You might find something new that you wouldn't
Slow.
have found.
Back
You never went slow,
and
only
forward.
fast.
Now we're gonna go up and down. Remember this song
So
slows.
won't you
Whoosh.
slow down
Whoosh.
and wait for me.
Whoosh.
Take it slow, take it
Whoosh.
slow, take it.
Take it slow, my friends.
Come on, slow down.
Whoosh.
Share all the new things we see
Yeah.
when we're slow. Here we go together.
Do you remember what happens